In this video, you will see how to type multiplication sign on Mac. To type multiplication sign on your Mac keyboard, press Ctrl Command Spacebar and you will see this character window. Actually, you will see this one, small one. You just have to click on this small icon to expand the window and then go to the symbols option here. Under the match symbols, you will see the multiplication sign. You can double click on the multiplication symbol and it will be inserted, or you can also see different variations of the multiplication sign and then just double click on any one of the variation to insert it. If you are using Microsoft Word and want to write mathematical equations, then go to the Insert tab and click on Equation, type backslash and type TIMES and press spacebar on your keyboard to get the multiplication sign. Or you can also, under the equations here, click on the multiplication sign to insert it into the Word document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem, and consider giving $1 to support the channel. Thank you.